All right, let's talk about Stage Manager and how to use it on an iPad. This is one of the new multitasking tools, and to turn it on, we'll go to Settings and scroll down to Multitasking and Gestures. Then from the top, choose Stage Manager. This is basically the same thing as the Windowed Apps option, with one exception. Stage Manager keeps a preview of your recently used apps on the side of your screen, and you can quickly jump between apps by tapping them. If a window covers the left side of your screen, Stage Manager kind of moves out of the way. But as soon as you move your windows, it'll pop right back. So if you want to go full screen, just go for it. Stage Manager will be back as soon as you resize your windows to give it enough space. Each app will have its own little window in Stage Manager, and you can easily swap between apps. Activate one app, the other goes away. If you'd like to use two apps simultaneously, you can group them. Just pick any app from Stage Manager and drag it over. Now these two apps became a group. Both are active, and I can control both of them without having one app minimize itself into Stage Manager. When go to Stage Manager and switch to something else, this group goes away and stays together. When I tap the group, both apps become active. You can group up to 4 apps together when using your iPad's display. Even with Stage Manager enabled, some apps might open full screen like this. If that happens, you can tap the little traffic lights in the upper left corner and then tap and hold the green button to resize your app. Once again, as soon as the app is resized, Stage Manager will pop back up. Overall, it's a nice little feature for quickly switching between apps, but I will say it feels a little clumsy on a small screen like this. On a bigger iPad or a bigger display, it's much more useful. Stage Manager also works on a Mac. I have another video showing this feature on a Mac, and I'll link it below if you'd like to check it out. Click that like button if this was helpful, and subscribe to get more useful tutorials like this straight into your YouTube feed. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.